Okay, during the ice storm, this last ice storm, we slid backwards on a driveway and punctured a taillight and hurt the corner of the bedside, but it's okay. We did get new taillights. Just the one was bad, but I bought both. And I've replaced both of them already, but for this video I'm going to show you how to take one out and replace the bulbs, because actually we didn't get all the bulbs replaced, or we did and they didn't take or something, because one of them, the flashers, are still blinking fast. Phillips screwdriver. Take the screw out. And then the bottom one as well. Drop the screws or lose them. Gently pull straight out so the pins and the taillight pull out of the body. I say that, it's not coming. There it is. And then I'm going to place both of these bulbs, the upper bulbs, just like a new bulb. There's that one. Bulb, so we're going to replace this one. And then this one, I think it might be a used bulb, so we're going to replace it. And then installing the taillights, just opposite of taking it out. These guide pins, there's holes in the body. Just make sure they line up. Let me push them in. Start your screws back in the holes. Up. Don't over tighten them though, because you'll break the plastic on the inside. They have metal clasp clamp, but it's just holding on plastic, so it will break. Okay, and that should be good to go. And then the next thing is please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. I can't stress enough, buying your parts at your local parts stores helps keep your parts stores open. Online's great. I've done it too, you know. I get it. Save a buck here or there. But by buying at your local stores, keeps your dollars local, keeps people employed that you know, keeps your money in your communities. It helps everyone around you. So, you know, like today I made a trip to Oreillys and got the brake calipers for my truck, front and rear, bottle of brake fluid, already done the cross drilling of the front rotors and the PFC pads that I got from Oreillys. I just did the taillight video on my truck, and you know, it's just best to buy parts from your local parts stores. Good quality stuff, you know. I buy from Oreillys, my local Oreillys, really good people. So yeah, you know, that's just my 2 cents. Hey, I appreciate it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.